Crows in the sky. What a communication. Look at this. Amazing communication of the crows. All in the sky. Look at this. Just like emergency. When in the flights we see similarly this what is happening in the sky. Quite amazing. Something is wrong with these crows. Look at this. Amazing. What is happening? Really? What a communication. Quite awakening. And these crows are moving back like our armed forces in the sky. Look at this. These all are crows. What a communication. Alarming situation in the sky. These birds have a you see I think this bird is making a voice, and these all are helping. These birds are helping this bird, this one. Look at this. Look at this. I think his kid was died or something wrong with this kid, this bird. So these all birds are together to help out. This is the amazing communication we can see. Look at this. This is called helping birds community. Quite a breaking news.